no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. One time now for the...
Hey Amour gang, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is pretty much a really quick tutorial on how you can lay your curly lace wig down and make it look super flat and into a nice low ponytail. So if you guys are interested to see exactly what products I use as well as what technique that I did to create my low ponytail, then definitely keep watching this video. So the unit that I will be using to create my low ponytail is by West Hair. This is their Brazilian curly lace wig. This unit is not new at all. I've actually had this unit for a few months now, but I wanted to do an update on it. So the length on this unit is 18 inches. The density is 180% if you guys forgot. And the color on this unit is a mixture of like a chocolate brown color as well as an off black color. So like I stated before, this unit is not brand new, so I am starting off with freshly washed. I pretty much like freshly washed this unit and I let it air dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. The unit is still damp and I wanted the unit to still be damp because it's better to create my low ponytail on damp hair. So I will show you guys what products I use. I only use the one and only Argan moisture repair shampoo as well as their moisture repair conditioner. I'll try to insert a picture of the two products that I use on this unit, but that was the only products that I did use. I did want a side part for this unit. I'm creating a left side part using a rat tail comb. The color on this, the lace is a little bit off compared to my skin complexion, but I'll show you guys later on how I fix that. So like I said, I'm just going ahead and creating the part, and then the next thing I'm going to do is use some face powder. I think this is it's like a CoverGirl face powder, you guys. I use this pretty much all the time, and I use a small brush and I apply the face powder to the part to make the part look closer to my skin complexion. So once I'm satisfied with my part, I'm going to go in and start slicking down this unit. So like I said, this unit is still damp, but I'm still going to go in with a spray bottle and mist it more, because what you want to do is you want to create a very slick, flat look when it comes to your unit to pull it back into a ponytail without any lumps or bumps. So like I said, I'm spraying the unit down on one side with some water, and then I'm using a rat tail comb to distribute the water more onto the hair. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foaming setting lotion, and the foaming setting lotion that I'm actually using is by Nairobi. This is a really good setting lotion if you guys are looking to lay down your units into a ponytail, if you're looking to create some baby hairs. This is a very, very good foaming setting lotion to use. So on the first side, that I'm just going to go ahead and apply a generous amount to this side, and I'm going to go back in with the rat tail comb, and I'm going to lay and use the comb to distribute the mousse throughout the entire side. So you guys will see exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah, let 'em up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up, cause I ain't tryna be.
So after I've done the first side, which is pretty easy to do, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the other side, which is my swoop. And because this side is a little bit more dense, I will be parting off this side into smaller sections, applying water, and then applying the Nairobi setting lotion on the hair, because you don't want to just apply it onto the top, because the product is just pretty much going to sit on the top. So that's the reason why I'm working into smaller sections on this side, and I'm doing the same thing, applying the setting lotion and then combing it through with my rat tail comb. So I did really want to give you guys a quick update on this unit. Like I said, I've had this unit for a few months now. I have not been wearing it consistently, but it has been in my rotation of wig units that I have been wearing for the last few months. I did notice when I first got the unit was a little bit dry, and then after I pulled it out after not wearing it for a few weeks, this unit does tend to be a little bit more on the drier side. But if you go in and wash the hair with some really good moisturizing shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner, pretty much the unit does not feel dry at all. I did notice also that this unit has a very nice curl pattern. It wasn't difficult to comb through the curls when I want to manipulate the hair. Another thing that I really like about this unit is the density. The density is not too thick and it's not too thin, so I'm able to work through the hair without any issues of the weft showing or the cap showing on this unit, or it being too thick and I'm not able to create different styles with this unit. As far as tangling or shedding, I really do not experience any shedding or tangling with this unit. I think when I first got the unit, I did experience some shedding and a little bit of tangling, but after a while, after me going in and washing the hair, because I washed this hair a couple of times, and after me washing the hair and just putting some TLC to this unit, I really do not experience any tangling or shedding anymore. So now that I've slicked down the front of the unit, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it back into a ponytail. I did apply some Got2b freeze spray just to let the hair set a little bit more and have a stronger hold. The setting lotion does give a very good hold, but you want to make sure that you have a strong hold, because I mean, you can go outside, it's getting close to the summertime, and you guys know that the humidity can easily lift up the hair and make it look frizzy. So that's the reason why I applied the Got2b freeze spray. Another thing that I'm going to apply is the wrap strips. This is very good if you're looking to have a very flat look when it comes to setting your units to a low ponytail or even a high ponytail. So I let the wrap strips sit on the hair for about 30 minutes and then I remove them. And I did also show you guys like what products I used on the ponytail itself. The only thing that I pretty much always use is water and the Aussie moisturizing conditioner. I mix that together in a spray bottle and spray it onto the hair, and then I use my dimming brush to define the curls, and that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you guys are interested in this exact unit, I will put all the information down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, you guys. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm trying to come back slowly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one.
I ain't trying to tell you how to live it like.